Good morning, Hi Blue Group. Hola, this is Miss O'Shea. We're going to spend today, this week's weekly work, reviewing saber and conocer. So if you refer back to page 94, I know that this was on our last video, but since we didn't have Spanish last week, let's just review. Okay? The verb saber means to know a fact or to have information about something. It also means to know how to do something. So it's not generally associated with people, knowing people. It's merely knowing facts and information. Yo sé el número de nuestro vuelo. I know the number of our flight. Pero no sabemos a qué hora sale. But we don't know what time it leaves. Yo sé jugar tenis. I know how to play tennis. The verb conocer means to know in the sense of to become acquainted with. It is used to talk about people and complex or abstract concepts rather than simple facts. So it's really more people or to express knowledge. Yo conozco a Luis. I know Luis. Teodoro conoce muy bien la literatura mexicana. Teodoro knows very well Mexican literature. And if you look again at the top of page 94, and this is what you're going to need to know for today's exercise, you have the verb tenses of saber and conocer. So what we're going to do today is you're going to fill in the blanks on the story on page 96. And you're going to have to decide whether it's saber or conocer and fill in the correct tense. Let's do the first one together. Sandra, blank tú a Adela del Olmo? It's referring to, do you know Adela? So do you know a person? So you have to think of it in two ways. It's the to form, because you see the word to right here. So you need the to form, and you need to decide if it's saber or conocer. And the correct answer is conoces, because we're talking about knowing a person. Okay, so you're going to write the whole thing out on page 96 and using the correct verb tenses, and that's your work for this week, and it's due on Friday. Any questions? Please feel free to ask. Thanks.